Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Arch, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I am going to talk about the issue that why WWE has decided to make Miz the new WWE champion. Also, will Bobby Lashley be the next WWE champion on Monday Night Raw? So stay tuned guys, this video is going to have some great important news. So the first thing is that we all know at last night on Elimination Chamber, with the help of Bobby Lashley, at the climax of the show, Miz cashed in to become the new WWE champion. So the reason behind this is quite simple. WWE want Drew McIntyre to give the third time of the WWE championship reign. This means that when at WrestleMania 36, Drew McIntyre has beat Brock Lesnar for the first time in his career to win the WWE title, there was no fans due to pandemic situation. Also on Monday Night Raw, the fans was on the virtual lens. So but at WrestleMania 37, WWE will allow some fans, at least 30,000 fans on each night, to be coming and see the WrestleMania live. This means that WWE has a proper chance to give Drew McIntyre back the championship in front of the fans, because still now Drew McIntyre has won the championship. He is the fan favorite, the fans want him, and he is one of the most top superstar of WWE right now. So even if he lost the title at Elimination Chamber, he will regain the title in front of the fans, which is the first wish of WWE as the new WWE champion, which will start his new, or I can say the third WWE championship reign. So the things looks quite interesting and quite promising for Drew McIntyre, because WWE is giving a huge effort to make Drew McIntyre the next big star of this generation. Okay, now moving on to the next thing, that is, will Bobby Lashley be the new WWE champion at next week on Raw? The answer is very much yes, because according to some WrestleVote, the big inside news is that Bobby Lashley is scheduled to be on the WWE championship match at WrestleMania 37. But the shocking fact is that the Miz is not scheduled to be on that WWE championship match. This means that Miz will lost the title soon to Bobby Lashley. So as we all, I have told in my earlier part of the video that Drew McIntyre will win the WWE championship in front of the fans. This means that someone has to walk in as the WWE champion, and that has to be Bobby Lashley. So a big major plan has been revealed, that Bobby Lashley versus Drew McIntyre for the WWE championship at WrestleMania 37, where Drew McIntyre will beat Bobby Lashley. We have seen them two fighting for the WWE championship on Backlash 2020, but that rivalry is far from over, and Bobby Lashley himself claimed in an interview at WWE Bump that he wants to face Drew McIntyre. Also, another possibility that WWE has, inside news has revealed, that there can be a triple threat match for the WWE championship at WrestleMania, which consists of Bobby Lashley versus Drew McIntyre versus Brock Lesnar. So we all heard from some time that Bobby Lashley versus Brock Lesnar will be happening at WrestleMania, but instead of that, WWE may be thinking of this triple threat. So that might be a very interesting thing. So this is the real plan being revealed around the WWE championship story. WWE still not finalized that which one will be there, but one thing is totally final, that Drew McIntyre will be a third time WWE champion at WrestleMania 37. So this is the reason why Miz has won the title, and why Bobby Lashley is being showing as one of the most dominant heel in WWE right now. The way he has been shown at today's Raw. He has beaten clean Braun Strowman, and he has also kicked out on Braun Strowman's final move. That's incredible, and I think we all know what Bobby Lashley is capable of, and this is what he's capable of. So WWE has been building Bobby Lashley as a strong heel, and that's what's going to happen at WrestleMania 37. So these are the inside news that's been going on right now. I just wanted to share with you. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and please guys do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.